A classic Turkish dish. Today we are making Turkish adana kebab. Ingredients: 500 g minced beef, 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 to 3 chopped fresh parsley. Pita bread or lahmacun Turkish flatbread for serving. Instructions: in a large bowl combine minced meat, onion, garlic, cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt and black pepper. Mix well. Knead the mixture for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth. 4. Preheat grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. Shape the mixture into small thin cylinders, about 5 to 6 inches long and 1 inch in diameter. Brush with olive oil and grill for 5 to 7 minutes per side or until cooked through. Serve hot in pita bread or lahmacun with chopped parsley, lemon wedges, sumac or red pepper flakes, tzatziki sauce or yogurt. Traditional adana kebab. Use a mix of lamb and beef for authentic flavor. Kebabs are typically served with a sprinkle of sumac and a squeeze of lemon juice. If you can't find lahmacun, use pita bread or serve with rice and salad. Variations: add diced bell peppers or tomatoes to the meat mixture for extra flavor. Use different types of cheese such as feta or khazar for added richness. Serve with a side of Turkish-style salad. Enjoy your delicious Turkish adana kebab. The calorie count for Turkish adana kebab can vary depending on serving size, ingredients and cooking methods. However, here's an approximate estimate. Traditional adana kebab 4 to 6 skewers. Calories 550 to 750. Protein 40 to 60 g. Fat 35 to 50 g. Saturated fat 10 to 15 g. Carbohydrates 10 to 20 g. Fiber 2 to 3 g. Sodium 800 to 1000 milligrams. Breakdown per skewer approximate 100 g. Calories 137 to 188. Protein 10 to 15 g. Fat 9 to 12 g. Saturated fat 2.5 to 3.5 g. Carbohydrates 2 to 4 g. Fiber 0.5 to 1 g. Sodium 200 to 300 milligrams. Factors affecting calorie count: meat quality and fat content, amount of spices and herbs used, cooking method, grilling, pan frying or baking, serving size and number of skewers, additional ingredients like bread, salad or sauce. To make adana kebab healthier, consider using leaner meat, 90% lean or higher, reducing portion size, grilling or baking instead of pan frying, pairing with vegetables and whole grains. Keep in mind that these estimates are approximate. Consult a reliable nutrition source or a healthcare professional for personalized information.